This world is not meant for your kind. Warning. Hull integrity compromised. Power core failing. Seek immediate assistance. Norak. Teslaher Vrain. This won't stop me. I must reach the beacon.
Atmospheric composition stable. Analyzing biomass density. This specimen exceeds all known parameters.
It's real. The signal, it's undeniably artificial. We have to tell the world.
Emergency sequence initiated. Anti-gravity field stabilizing. Brace for ascent. Liftoff confirmed. Proceed to staging altitude.
Altitude stabilizing at 500 meters. ETA to Neo Kyoto remains 04 minutes.
Between the glare of the city and the darkness of the yard lay everything we threw away.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's enormous. I can't believe it's actually here. What do I do?
They arrived without warning, hovering silently over Main Street. The world would never be the same.
Lee. Oh my goodness. What have you done? I told you this would happen eventually. Look at this mess.
Please, can you hear me? We need help. The translator is failing. We are in great danger.
Yes, I can fix this engine. I'll have it running by tomorrow morning, guaranteed.
Keep the tension steady on lines 3 and 4. We are clear of the threshold. Lower it slowly.
Core stabilization achieved. Energy output at optimal levels.
You got your standard claw hammer here, good for most jobs. But when you need to recalibrate a phase modulator, you'll want this little beauty.
The xenomorphic alloys are fusing faster than anticipated. Note the localized heat distortion around the impact zone.
Okay, connect the coil here, then the positive lead. If this works, we should get power to the LED.
Critical failure detected. Magnetic containment at 40%. All personnel must evacuate immediately. Energy core glow steadies. Color shifts from chaotic to smooth.
Ship systems reboot complete. All core functions are now online.
My father worked this land, and his father before him. We cannot give up now. Not when the harvest is so close.
Easy now, you're doing well. Take your time.
I am standing. Thank you, healer.
We greet you in peace. We are honored by your presence.
Final system diagnostics complete. Ship fully repaired. Initializing sequence B7. Power transfer is at 50%, 90%. Core stability achieved. All systems green.
The The future of space travel begins now.
Citizens of Sector Gamma, you are scheduled for immediate processing. Prepare for collection.
T-minus 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Ignition sequence start. We are go for launch.
Stars reflect off the restored alien hull.
People ask me what my secret is. It's simple, really. When you love the wood, it loves you back. Every piece tells a story.
Scrapyard returns to calm, faint alien light fading.
Human ingenuity changed the galaxy.